Hey Naomi, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and give you a couple tips that you could implement right away to start outranking some of your competition online and bringing in consistent work for your business. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, Naomaids LLC. I love the name. So I learned a little bit about your business. Obviously, you do some house cleaning, but it looks like you do some staging as well, which is pretty cool. So what I did was I pulled up a couple competitors in your industry in Colorado Springs to show you what's working for them and then how you can do the same, but better as well to outrank them and bring in some jobs. So when I typed in house cleaning Colorado Springs in Google, all right, we came to this Google guaranteed ad section, the map pack, and then the organic section, which everyone is used to seeing. All right, so we want to show up really in this map pack section and in this organic section. So it really all starts with having a great website. Okay, so I'm going to pull up, like I said, a competitor here, and we're going to come down to the organic section to start. And the first result here is thecleaningauthority.com. Okay, so I'm going to click on them, and we can check out their site. And let's go to, sure, we're going to go yes. So that gets rid of that. But they've got a pretty nice site here. As we scroll down, as we scroll down, we can see they've got a good bit of content. They've got some pictures and videos. They got a map section here. So basically what we want to do is we want to beat out this content. And Google really likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as these service pages, right, our cleaning services, we want to see anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that will allow you to do is rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a report of this website in a tool I use called Eris, and it's just going to show some data. So we're going to head back to the overview here, and we're going to see the rank of their site. We're going to see the power, the trust, and their backlink profile. Okay, we're going to see the organic keywords that they're ranking for that I had mentioned, and then the traffic that they're currently bringing in. So what does this all mean? All right, we'll get into backlinks in a little bit, but I mentioned keywords, and those keywords, like I said, are being found based off of the content that they have. So if we click on these, we can see what they're basing their content around. And right away, we see Colorado Springs house cleaning, all right, cleaning services, Colorado Springs. These are two really good keywords. House cleaning, Colorado Springs, another one. They're all bringing in 150 searches a month, all right, just for those services. And you can see the traffic that they're bringing in because they're ranked in the top spots on Google. All right, now number 1 through 10 is the first page of Google, so that's definitely where you want to be. And it shows they're bringing in 27 searches, 24, 13 for all these different keywords, and you would imagine they're definitely converting those clicks to their website into jobs, right? So let's head back to the overview here. That's a little bit about keywords and the content. Now a backlink, okay, is just a link from one site to another, all right? And they have 28 sites pointing back to theirs, and it's giving them 179 backlinks. And again, this is the power and the trust from those backlinks, all right? Because not all backlinks are created equal. So just like we want better content, right, and rank those keywords higher, we want better backlinks as well. So just like we went into the keywords, we can go into the backlinks and figure out what's working, and then, like I said, copy that and get better ones. So I'm going to find one more search phrase here into Google. We're going to look up home staging Colorado Springs because, like I said, I thought that was a pretty cool service that you offered, and it definitely goes hand in hand with the cleaning aspect. So we're going to hit the first business here, frontstage.com, all right, and we can check out their site as we scroll down. They've definitely got a lot of pictures, which people want to see, right? We're going to get rid of this. And then they've got a good bit of content as well, but you can definitely beat it out. So let's just jump right into the report. Let's see these keywords here. So home staging Colorado Springs is one of the main ones. Home staging Colorado, bringing in 50 and 40 searches a month. Okay, interior design, maybe you can add that into it a little bit, 100 searches. But they're bringing in a little bit of traffic, and it's definitely a unique aspect to your business. So, anything you can add, right? Adding in keywords is going to help you bring in volume, bring in traffic, okay? So let's look at theirs. They don't have as much power and trust, but they are bringing in, they have 24 sites pointing back to theirs, and it's giving them 151 backlinks. And you can see the traffic overall for them. All right, so those are the two focus keywords, and we talked about content, we talked about backlinks, but the last thing I want to touch upon are citations. Now, A citation is your name, address, and phone number, and we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. And it really all has to do with your Google My Business listing. And when I searched your name, Naomaids LLC Colorado Springs, or I'm sorry, no, Naomaids LLC Colorado Springs, I didn't find a Google My Business listing for you. So that's definitely something you want to create because it's just another tool that helps you rank on Google. It's another way for people to find you, call your business, hit your website, whatever it might be. So let's head back to one of these search terms in Google. All right, and this is what your Google My Business listing is. All right, this is where it gets listed into this map pack. So if we hit this front range stage, home stage in Colorado Springs, we can check out their Google listing. And this is really what it looks like. All right, so you want to create this and you want to optimize it. You want to put in pictures, you want to get reviews, have your name, address, information, all that. Okay, you want tons of pictures because obviously with your service, people want to see the work that you're doing. All right, they want to see your cleaning, they want to see your staging. Okay, that's what's going to help them pick you over a competitor. So if your customer has 100 pictures, try and double it, right? But not only that, save those pictures with keywords, the ones we mentioned. Okay, that way when someone types it into Google, your listing can come up. Not only your listing, but your website as well. So it's just another opportunity to get found on Google. All right, now not only that, you want a great description for your listing as well. And it looks like these guys just have this little tiny description here. And they let you max out at 750 characters. So definitely max that out, add in some keywords, and it's just another opportunity to get found. So really getting into this map pack, it all has all to do with your citations, all to do with optimizing that listing. And then down here, getting into this organic section, that's where your content and backlinks come into play. So contents, backlinks, and citations, along with optimizing that listing, that's what's going to get you onto this first page of Google and get you your website clicks, get you your phone calls to bring in that consistent work. I hope you found the information useful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out. I look forward to talking to you soon.